Having trouble downloading apps from your Samsung Galaxy Store? This can happen because of network issues, store glitches, or account problems. It's important to fix this so you can easily get the apps you need on your phone. Don't worry, here's how to quickly solve the Galaxy Store app download problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling and mobile data always active. First, open up the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Find the developer option. If you don't see the developer option there, then tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Then tap on Build Number for 7 times. And then go back to the Settings page. Under the About Phone option, you'll find the developer options. Next, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Just turn it on. And here you'll find one more option called Mobile Data Always Active. Turn it on also. Solution 2. Clear Galaxy Store app cache. Go to the settings, then scroll down. After that, tap on Apps. Now tap on the search bar from the top and type Galaxy Store. Then tap on it. Now scroll down again. Next, tap on Storage. After that, tap on Clear Cache from the bottom right side. And then tap on Clear Data from the left side. Now go ahead and check whether it works or not. If not, follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Check Software Update. Go to Settings once again. Now scroll down. Then tap Software Update. Next, tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then it will start downloading automatically. Alright everyone, that's how you can fix the Galaxy Store not downloading apps on your Samsung phone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching.